Now let's learn how to make a home page. Navigate to Lightning App Builder from Quick Find box. Click on New. Choose Home Page. Click Next. Give a label of your choice. Click Next. Choose the template that suits your requirement. Drag and drop the components you need. Click on Save. Click on App Default. Select your app. Click Next. Click Save. Click on the back arrow on top left corner. If you haven't already added home to your app, go to the pencil icon. Click on Add More Items. Under Available Items, go to All and search for Home. Click on plus icon next to Home and click on Add one nav item. You can select more items to add to your app. Change the position of objects if required and hit Save. There you go. The home page is ready at your disposal.